This video was made by Connectable.be, your partner in low-power IoT solutions.
Good morning, this is Giulio Reina. I'm the RSM, so the sales responsible for Simcom Italy. And we are in Nuremberg now for the Embedded World 2022. And especially this fair, we are exposing all our portfolio. So from narrowband IoT to 4G module, smart module, 5G module and the GNSS module, and we have a lot of news with this fair and generally speaking on all our technology. Focusing especially on narrowband module, we have two very new modules and very high technical features module that are especially those two ones. The SIM 7022 is our narrowband 2 and narrowband 1 module, global, so it can support all the global bands in the worldwide where narrowband is present as network. And this module has a very, very high feature about the power consumption, because this is based on a new Qualcomm chipset. It's a very new, and we developed this new module, so it is very small, and the power consumption that we reach here with this module in a power save mode is until 1 microampere. So it's a very, very less, and it's very useful this for all the application where the battery life is very important. For example, we are working a lot also in Italy for smart meter application. So all the gas meter, water meter application are enjoying a lot with this model, because they can use a very smaller battery to guarantee the same lifetime, or 15 or 20 years, or the final device. There is another new device, this Y7080E, that is similar to the previous one, but is related to only the EMEA market. So it supports the EMEA market, the EMEA bands, and the cost of this one is very, 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 very competitive. Both costs are less than a standard 2G module, so you can use a narrowband technology with a very, very competitive cost, and especially the EMEA one, so that Y7080E is a very, very competitive cost. Is very less $3 also for few pieces. So, and another very interesting feature of this module is that the voltage range is very wide, because it can work from 2.2 volts to 4.3 volts. So even if the battery is deading, let me say, is going to dead, the module is continuing to go ahead and working at 100% of functionality. This module is both modules are compatible, are pin-to-pin compatible with our SIM7080G, that is a Qualcomm-based module, same package, same pinout, so it's pin-to-pin compatible, but this module add to narrowband, and also the CAT-M global network, and it has also the GNSS, so you can also localize by satellite your device all over the world, because GNSS is not only GPS but also all the other constellations. So those are this module with the CAT-M. We have also in the smallest package on the market in this one. So those are the same features, the same chipset from Qualcomm, but this is for very, very small, and this is for all the application where we need for sure a very low power consumption, and we need to develop a very, very small board. So those are our hottest news, let me say, for LPWA and narrowband, and I hope that you can visit us in our booth at all 5, booth 280, and for this Nuremberg fair. Goodbye.